people.
Okay, calm
This
down.
is a fantastic box. I can't say it again. Fantastic products, fantastic month. I'm really happy that I got to received all of it in my subscription. Good choice, Birchbox. Good choice, well done. So I'm looking forward to my March box, which will come in the next couple of weeks, 10 days or 7 days maybe. Yes. So yes, that's all. Now I'm gonna go and sit down because I worked really hard today. I did 2 lots of cooking. Yes.
I helped out for, well, we had a wrap.
Yeah, and then I went out. So yeah, we had a really busy day. And then the weather was really crap.
Have you heard on the news about Storm Freya? What? Is this really true?
Eh?
Yeah.
And then at the bottom of the box
They're like
you
these.
get this like little
Oh,
card.
postcards.
Yes. Like
You could send
you
to
make me
people.
smile because you're lovely, because you are my favorite, because
Mummy.
beautiful cards.
Mummy.
That was for Valentine's, and then you get a 15% discount on Not on the High Street. Right, let's see if I'm late. My late offer ends on the 31st of March. Yay, I can still use it. 50% off. Yes, I will get a Mother's Gift Day on Not on the High Street. I used to shop there. I bought Christmas stuff on Not on the High Street. Yes.
Oh,
like you know the Chloe's blanket. Yes.
Oh.
It was from Not on the High Street. What else did I get from them? I always buy lots of things. Daddy's wallet is from Not on the High Street. What else? Well, I've bought quite a few stuff on Not on the High Street, so I'm really excited about this. Okay, that's enough, guys. I'm gonna go and sit in the living room and put Amazon Prime, because I'm a member on Amazon Prime, and I'm gonna watch New Amsterdam. I've started watching New Amsterdam. It's fabulous. Oh, fabulous. I just need a drink. That's what I need. I've eaten. Yeah. Alright, people. So on that note, see you soon.
Bye.